English has rules for speaking and reading. However, almost every rule has exceptions that make learning English a little bit more challenging. But today, I'm gonna give you 3 speaking and reading rules that are almost without exceptions.
Oh my god! Wow!
Hi, my name is Nay. Welcome to my channel. The goal of this channel is to help non-native English speakers like Bisaya speak English fluently, naturally, and confidently. Before we get right into it, I am very happy to let you know we just hit the 100 subscribers mark. From the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank you all. Appreciate kayo nagugdako ang inyong suporta. The letter C has 2 sounds in English, excluding the word ocean, the soft and hard C. It's actually the sound of S and K respectively. That makes us wonder, do we really need C? Sorry, C. To decide when to pronounce C as S and when to pronounce it as K is rather confusing. To solve that problem, I would like to introduce the first of the 3 rules. And here it is. When C is followed by the vowel E, I, and the letter Y, it is pronounced S. Lettuce, place, city, citation, cylinder. This is the reason why the letter K is added to the words like back, lick, duck, peck, and many more. Other than E, I, and Y, C is pronounced K. Tact, mark, cry, cola, can, acumen, curtain. Rule number 2. After a vowel, the letters TH and E is pronounced as voiced TH when it is at the middle or end of the word. Father, heathen, bathe, breathe. Rule number 3. You don't need to pronounce the letter A in basically, grammatically, automatically, technically, philosophically, and so on. Only the A in Cali, of course. Some would argue that it is schwa though. Kung nakatabang nini mga video, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Sa sunod na pod, daghang salamat.